Today, I would like to introduce our product, TS Leak Checker. TS means Tokyo Water Works. This product is displayed at our booth. If you are kindly interested in it, please visit us. Contents, let's go. First, I had better explain our company, TSS Tokyo Water. It is a partner company of Tokyo Metropolitan Government, which has more than half of our shares and supervises us. So our main scope of work is to undertake comprehensive technical works of Tokyo Metropolitan Water Works Bureau. Works operation and maintenance, investigations of facilities, and so on. So we are a kind of half public company. And TSS and Tokyo Metropolitan Water Works Bureau are jointly conducting daily water works services in Tokyo. But recently, we began to work for other domestic Japanese water utilities outside Tokyo. We have a lot of leak investigation works using this leak checker and facilities maintenance, planning, and so on. Moreover, for overseas water utilities, we are currently aggressively conducting technical business in many countries, especially in Penang or Malaysia. We have a JICA project now. Now I start talking about TS leak checker. This checker is this is a leak detector using time integration method by perceiving vibrations of leaks. The advantage of this device is that possibility of leaks can be judged with simple operation, just one button push, and in a short time, in 2 seconds, in the shortest. It is enough light and portable, and it has function of memory. So efficient investigation is became possible. By the way, in 2010, the development of leak checker was awarded by IWA. The background of development of leak checker will help us understand characteristics and advantages of this device. In Japan, which has succeeded in reducing leakage, most leaks, more than 90% occurs on service pipes now. Please look at the bottom pie charts. This is current Tokyo's situation. The leakage rate has become only 2.0% out of total distribution amount. And there were about 14,000 leak detections, but 97% of leaks were found on service pipes. So, next stage of non-revenue water reduction is leak detection and leak repair on service pipes. Since 1995, TSS has developed and has been improving leak checker jointly with Tokyo Metropolitan Water Works Bureau and Toshiba, famous Japanese electronics company, and NWS Nihon Water Solution. It's small but excellent leak detection company. With much effort for improvement, precision of measurement, and weight reduction, and measurement time length reduction became possible. The measurement procedure of TS leak checker is quite simple. Basically, this leak checker has a good performance on at the measurement of service pipes, especially at the customer meters. This head portion has a sensor, and sensor rod can be attached if necessary, as shown on the right. Anyway, put sensor portion into the to the measuring object on service pipes, and push button. And in a few seconds after pushing the measurement button, measurement is after pushing, measurement is done if there is no possibility of leak. This is most case. These are most cases. Otherwise, when the checker perceives some vibrations, then to check whether it is the continuous sound or not, several more times measurement starts again. Sorry, PC is not good. After that, if it is continuous sound, the checker judges that there is a possibility of leak. Here I talk about effective application of TS leak checker. We call it screening method. Yes, screening method. At step 1, we have TS leak checker measurement on all the service pipes. Then the detector perceives some all continuous sounds, including actual leaks and other continuous noises. So to judge whether it is actual leaks or other sound, one more step is necessary. It is professional leak investigation by professional leak investigators. You may think this has 2 steps, so this needs more time and cost, but it doesn't, because TS leak checker measurement is possible for anyone, non-professionals. So, for example, meter readers can do it. And the professional investigators have to investigate only much less service pipes than usual. So, adding one more steps, on the contrary, we can save much time and cost. This is effect of TS leak checker. Instead of short time TS leak checker measurement, precious cost and time of professional investigation can be drastically reduced. Because before such professional investigations, TS leak checker has screened out most measuring objects. This is what we call a screening method by TS leak checker. As shown on these pictures, please compare green dots. It is a professional investigation. we can reduce quite many number of professional investigation. It can save time and money. Again, I show characteristic of TS leak checker. This leak checker can judge possibility of leaks on service pipes with simple operations. That means even non-professionals such as meter readers can enough conduct this measurement. They always visit all the customer meters every month or every 2 months. So if they do this measurement, it is efficient. Only a simple operation and short time is necessary. So the measurement work does not disturb their main job, meter reading. And it can store 2,000 measurement results. After measurement, the special software can handle the data processing efficiently. I will explain it later. This checker has light and portable type. On the other hand, we are also providing this stick type leak checker. It can measure the pipes under the deep ground and convenient in cold or snowy area. The main target of TS leak checker is service pipes, but also applicable on distribution mains. In such case, stick types is useful in measuring the deep distribution mains. Now I have an explanation about measurement principle. As I said, this TS leak checker uses a characteristic of leak sound, continuity of sound. This wave is converted from vibration into voltage. The voltage to judge leak or not, this value is set according to the surrounding noisiness. During measurement time, large T, which is often set 1 second. Simply speaking, when more time has larger vibration, there is a much possibility of leaks. On the contrary, there is a large but very temporary noise. For example, like smashing noise or horn from a car. The waveform must be sorry. PC is not good. Like this. So the time with much vibration is short in total. Then it is not judged there is a possibility of leak. And leak judgment value is set according to pipe material and so on. For example, in Tokyo, all service pipes are made of stainless steel. It can transmit sound very well. So the judgment value should be high, 60%. On the other hand, on non-metallic pipes such as polyethylene, the leak sound often attenuates. So the rates should be set lower, for example, 40%. In the measurement, such conditions to be set for TS leak checker is shown. For example, background noise, as I said, background noise level should be set according to other surrounding noises. As you know, in noisy surroundings, the judgment voltage should be set higher, simply speaking. we have been undertaking many leak investigation works in many waterworks utilities. This is an example among them at the Japanese waterworks utility in 2011. On 10.4%, yes, on 10.4% of all service pipes, the leak detector, the leak checker detected the possibility of leak. Then, on them, professional investigators confirmed the existence of leak. Then, on 4.8% of among them, the actual leaks were found. What do you think about this result? TS leak checker has seems too low accuracy. No, but no, TS leak checker measurement is not inaccurate. It is because there's no automatic way to judge leak sound from other continuous noises. That is why professional leak investigation is necessary. But and anyway, please consider that this leak checker measurement could make us skip nearly 90% of professional leak investigation, which needs much cost and time. So this method is very time-saving and cost-saving. And we have prepared special software for TS leak checker. English version is also available. If we download measured data from leak checker to a PC, not only efficient data processing, but also continuous analysis is possible for comprehensive non-revenue water reduction because the record remains. On the other hand, the reverse side, setting conditions on of TS leak checker is also possible on PC by uploading them to leak checker. Finally, I mentioned business opportunities about TS leak checker and our company TSS. As for TS leak checker, both sales and rental are possible. But according to an agreement between joint developers, our client is a public waterworks party. So for private companies, let us introduce our joint developer. As I said, we have many achievements of both rental and sales, both in Japan and overseas. Especially as for Penang State of Malaysia, PBA-PP, Purbadanam Bekaran Air Propina, which we are keeping a good relationship. They are using TS leak checker. Next, as TSS. Indeed, we have a sales and rental right of TS leak checker, and this is the presentation for it. But what we like to do more is to provide comprehensive waterworks services. So besides TS leak checker, we welcome to undertake also other various works. We have much experiences of consulting, technical training, non-revenue water reduction, including leak detecting works, operation, maintenance, and investigation of facilities, and so on. Among them, non-revenue water reduction is one of our strongest fields. Especially in Southeast Asian countries, we have had good works. So we are looking forward to being useful for you.